Alberti, After Sales Manager here at TMIC Industrial Compressors. At TMIC, our commitment to you doesn't stop when the sale is made. We believe in building lasting relationship with your customers, and that's why we take care of you long after the product is delivered. Our team of skilled technicians is always ready to step in when you need us. We understand that downtime is costly, and that is why we provide fast, reliable service to ensure your compressors are always running at their best. We keep a wide range of spare parts in stock, ready to ship whenever you need them. We ensure that your replacement parts arrive quickly, minimizing any disruption to your business. We are dedicated to making sure your equipment stays in top condition. Our goal is simple: to help you to get the most out of your thermomechanical compressor every day. At Thermomeccanica, it's not just about selling product. It's about ensuring your success, providing peace of mind, and building lasting partnership. Thermomeccanica. Excellence doesn't end with the sale. It's just the beginning.